Here at Big Island Delights, we specialize in cookies and confections. We are a small, locally family-owned and operated business here in Hilo. Started in 1996 by my parents, Jeffrey and Carla Takamine. They actually started as an ice cream shop. They chose the name Big Island Delights with the hope that the business could possibly expand beyond an ice cream shop, which today we are in cookies. My job on any given day would be baker, dipper, chocolate melter, cookie packer, or even delivery person. Any type of school holiday, my mom would get us together and we would bake at home our party mix that we do today. And we'd get to pass that out as a treat for the class and share with our teachers and things like that. So the original party mix that we make today is a recipe that we grew up making as kids. I think we first started out with the Oddity chocolate chip, snowball, macadamia nut shortbread. From there, slowly by slowly, just through trial and error, we birthed a few, cappuccino cookies, cornflake cookies, coconut cookies. Our most popular product would probably have to be, hands down, the macadamia snowball cookies. We do have a retail shop located just a quarter mile or so from the airport, but also if you want to find any of our things, KTA, they have been so great to us, supporting us, really from the beginning when we were just a tiny little cookie company trying to make a go at it.